Hi everyone, welcome to Syncios channel. This video is a guide on how to transfer WhatsApp from your old iPhone to the new iPhone 13 series. First, open Syncios Toolkit and click on WhatsApp Transfer to run Syncios WhatsApp Transfer. Choose Transfer WhatsApp between two devices. Then connect your two iPhones to the computer with USB cables. Click on Transfer and choose to merge data if you don't want to delete the existing data on the iPhone 13. Now just wait patiently for it to transfer the data. When it completes, you can unlock your iPhone 13 and open WhatsApp to check the transferred data. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us.